Hi, welcome to our apartment. We live in Slezska in Prague 3. We are located on the 5th floor, and there is 2 other groups of CEA students living in this building as well. In this apartment, it's equipped for 5 people. Right when you walk in, there's a bathroom located to the left. This is a little ensuite bathroom. And then there is our kitchen. The fridge is a little smaller, but it is able to hold a large amount of food and things like cases of water and stuff like that. Sorry, the fridge door wouldn't stay open. The kitchen was also equipped with a large amount of storage bins, knives, pots and pans, other things to cook with like scissors, ladles, stuff like that. And then there was also plastic cutting boards and a cheese grinder and a drainer. There was also glasses, coffee mugs, and a full set of dining like plates, bowls, and salad dishes. It also came with the 2 trash cans. The white trash can is for trash, and the other one is for recycling. Here in Europe, they don't use dryers, so the things to the right of the washing machine are drying racks that you just put in around the apartment. The bathroom also came equipped with 2 sinks, a toilet, a shower, and a towel warmer. That is the white thing that you see there. We were also given a very large living space. So there was a desk, chair, 2 chairs, lounging chairs, and then half futons. They didn't lay down fully like futons. And then we were given a very pretty view. Being on the 5th floor, we can see a lot of what Prague 3 has to offer. Now walking into mine and my roommate's room. Like I said, there are 5 of us, so it was split 3 girls in one room, 2 girls in the other. When we arrived, we were provided with comforters and a pillow, and then we have a very large space to hang and store shoes and clothes. We were also given a side table, a desk, and a drawer to store foldable clothes. Under the desk, there is also a little basket that they provided a few with that we can put our dirty clothes so that when they were ready to wash, we could use those. Now, these are my flatmates rooms. They each got a side table. There was 3 closets. One dresser to store foldable clothes. As you can tell, the door is pretty secure, and this is with every window and door in your apartment. They are double insulated, I guess, so there's 2 doors for both the window and the door to open to get out to the patio. And that's the end of this video. Hope you liked it.